Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by the world of investing, you're not alone. Many people find the sheer volume of information and the complexity of financial markets intimidating. Today, I'm breaking down the top 5 robo-advisors that make investing super easy and hands-off. These platforms are designed to simplify the process and help you grow your wealth without the stress. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll feel like a pro. You'll have a clear understanding of which robo-advisor might be the best fit for your needs. Don't forget to click on the link in the description below to try out any of these amazing products. Each one offers unique features that cater to different investment styles and goals. First up, we have Betterment. This platform has been a game changer for many investors. Betterment is like the Apple of robo-advisors, sleek, intuitive, and incredibly user-friendly. It's designed to make investing as straightforward as possible. They offer personalized investment plans based on your goals, whether you're saving for retirement, a major purchase, or just want to grow your wealth. Their algorithms take into account your risk tolerance and time horizon to create a tailored portfolio. Plus, their fees are super competitive, starting at just 0.25% annually. This means more of your money stays invested and working for you. Next, we have Wealthfront. Wealthfront is a powerhouse when it comes to automated investing. It's known for its sophisticated technology and comprehensive financial planning tools. What sets them apart is their advanced tax loss harvesting feature, which can help you save a ton on taxes. This feature automatically sells losing investments to offset gains, reducing your tax bill. And with no advisory fees on the first $5,000 you invest, it's a great way to get started without breaking the bank. Wealthfront also offers a range of other services, including financial planning and college savings plans. Coming in third is Ellevest. This platform is unique in that it's designed specifically for women. Ladies, this one's for you. Ellevest takes into account the unique financial challenges we face, such as longer lifespans and career breaks. Ellevest is designed specifically for women and takes into account the unique financial challenges we face. They understand that women often have different financial goals and needs. They offer personalized investment plans and career coaching to help you achieve your financial goals. Whether you're planning for a career change, starting a business, or saving for a big life event, Ellevest has tools to support you. And with their goal-based planning, you can invest in what truly matters to you. Their platform is designed to help you make informed decisions and stay on track. Fourth on the list is M1 Finance. This platform offers a unique blend of robo-advising and DIY investing. M1 Finance combines the best of robo-advising with a touch of DIY investing. You have the flexibility to create your own custom portfolios or choose from expert-designed ones. You can create your own custom portfolios or choose from expert-designed ones, and their automated rebalancing ensures your investments stay on track. The best part? Their platform is incredibly flexible and user-friendly. There are no management fees. This means you can invest more of your money without worrying about high costs eating into your returns. Last but not least, we have Acorns. This platform is perfect for beginners or those looking to dip their toes into investing without much effort. Acorns is perfect for beginners or those looking to dip their toes into investing without much effort. It's designed to make investing accessible to everyone, regardless of experience level. They automatically round up your everyday purchases and invest the spare change. This means you can start investing with just a few cents at a time, making it easy to build a portfolio without even thinking about it. It's investing made easy. And with their Found Money feature, you can even earn extra cash back when you shop with their partners. This can help you grow your investments even faster. So there you have it, the top 5 robo-advisors that make investing easy and hands-off. The top 5 robo-advisors that make investing easy and hands-off. Each of these platforms offers unique features and benefits, so you can choose the one that best fits your needs and goals. Remember, investing doesn't have to be complicated or scary. With the right tools and resources, anyone can become a successful investor. Click on the link in the description below to try out any of these fantastic robo-advisors and start your journey towards financial freedom today. Each link will take you to a platform where you can learn more and get started. Thanks for watching and happy investing. We hope this video has helped you feel more confident about your investment choices. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome content. We have plenty of other videos to help you on your financial journey. See you in the next video. Until then, happy investing and take care.